What's going on, everybody? My name is Sebastian Alvarez. I'm here in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm a master groomer at Groomed Gentlemen's Parlor here in Brigade. Here we're bringing you guys some grooming tips, some product knowledge, and of course some finishing tools for you to have on your daily basis. So grooming tips, of course, on a daily basis, make sure that you're washing your face, making sure that your foundation is solid to get through the rest of your day, the rest of your week. Reason why you want to wash your face every day, just to get rid of that dead skin and those loose hairs. And then of course, if you have irritation and or if you just have simply dry skin, washing your face is going to help reduce irritation. It's going to help with dry skin. It's going to help with even razor bumps because you're loosening those hair follicles to help those hair follicles come through that hair follicle. And just making sure that you're finishing your process after you do wash your face, making sure that you're moisturizing, making sure that you're using your aftershave if you're washing your face and or shaving. These things do help you through your daily regimen.